Greetings traders, it is Wednesday, January 6th, 2016, and this is my first trade of the day. And I've just taken a long position here. The computer says that it is going to move up now, and this trade should be good for 40 ticks. I've got a 40 tick exit on it, and so that puts it up, what, 40 puts it up to 35.30, which puts it right up here. So the exit's going to be way up here for 40 ticks, and I'm calling it out in advance before it even happens. Amazing, isn't it? So watch this, and then I should have the time to take another trade and see if we can't hit like a 100 tick trade this morning. How's that sound for making money? There's nothing like using this system, because this system represents the secret behind the market, which is that it is controlled in advance by a computer and doesn't really trade. All markets are controlled by a computer and do not really trade. In other words, it's the biggest scam in the world. And I broke that scam, and I now am able to take advantage of that scam and teach others how to take advantage of that scam for themselves, so that they can take money from the market using a cheating system, which is knowing which direction the computer is about to take it from a flaw in the program which the programmers left behind. They weren't smart enough to cover up their flaw. Anyway, the money is there to be made, and I am demonstrating and teaching how to do it in my video courses and demonstrating in these YouTube videos. Okay, I will be back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. 40 tick exit. By the way, this trade was called out in my charting service before it would even happen. In other words, I predicted that this trade would happen in my charting service before it even happened, and I am taking the trade, and it hasn't even happened yet, and I'm still predicting that it's going to happen, and I'm going to take 40 ticks out of it. I will be back. I mean, when you can trade and you can know what it's going to do before it even does it, there can't be a trading system like that anywhere in the world. It's a mathematical impossibility. The only thing that could be better is if you knew what it was going to do in advance, even more so, even more accurately, even for more ticks, that type of thing. That would be the only way that you could beat this system. Would be the same type of a thing, but only even more accurate. But you can't compare a regular trading system with this. It can't even remotely come close to comparing. Not only do you know the entry, not only do you know the stop, but you also even know the exit. So you don't have to sit there and worry about it. I'm just going to place the exit on here and let it go. Doesn't matter if it goes up and down and up and down. It can do that all at once, as long as it makes it to the exit without hitting the stop. Which, by the way, I will adjust in a minute here. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the stop placed at 81, so that makes this trade an 11 tick loss if it does become a loss. So that's how you limit your losses like that. And by the way, that wasn't guesswork. It's mathematical precision where I placed it right there. There's an absolute 100% mathematical reason why I placed it right there. Not at 82, not at 80, nowhere else. It's supposed to be placed right there as per the code. So if it is a loss, it's 11 tick loss. But that's how you cut your losses short while hitting your winners. If it's a winner, it's going to be 40 ticks. Okay, I will come back. But see, like right now, you know, it's moving down. A lot of people just bail out. No reason to, unless it hits the stop. Obviously, the stop will bail me out. Okay, I will be back. By the way, if the stop does get hit, that by default will mean that it's a short and not a long, which I will turn around and go short on it. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, the stop was hit right there. which like I said, by default means that that is a short entry now. So I am now short into this, and I'm still going to go for the same 46. Actually, I'm going to go for more than that. I will adjust this exit down to 100 ticks here, and we're going to go for 100 ticks off this trade. I'll come back shortly. Just wanted to show really quick that I do have a 100 tick exit on this from 34.81 down to 33.81 for 100 ticks. So I adjusted it, and it should be good. It should be good for the 100 ticks, no problem. And it's not rocket science to make money at the oil market. You just have to know how the computer works, know where to enter, know where to place your exit, not get out because it's starting to come back up or something like that. You know what I mean? I mean, a lot of people will do that, and they'll lose out, and they'll want to take what profit they can get, and then they lose out. I mean, that's what I'm saying, is you cannot compare a normal trading system with this trading system. You can't compare it. There's no comparison whatsoever. Anyway, I'll come back, show you the trade. It needs to hit the 100 ticks, obviously, and it will. Just wanted to come back on here and confirm that I got a major secondary signal to go short. So the exit down here at 33.81 should get hit, no problem. The system is confirming that in a big way that it's going to get hit. So 100 tick exit is coming up, and should get hit very, very easily. I'll be back to show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade. I just wanted to show you that I am back, and the trade was successful, and basically I nailed the news play, and I nailed the exact entry that I called within my charting service. I nailed it perfectly, I called it perfectly, and I nailed it perfectly, and scored a nice trade. It came all the way down to 33.78. So I nailed the trade, and just wanted to show it to you. There's no substitute for knowing my system, and also for tracking it within my charting service, which is what I am doing every day for myself and for my clients. And I have a lot of clients signed up to my charting, and I am just showing on a continuous basis now every day the power of using my system. There can be no substitute for knowing which direction the computer will go before it goes there. Don't let anybody in this world fool you otherwise, because there's people out there who, unfortunately, for me and for you, they want to fool you that this doesn't work. But I am showing that in fact it does work. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. I hope you traders out there are doing good, especially you charting subscribers, because you should be hitting these trades with the greatest of ease. Take care out there, and happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow.